famous American actress Alicia Silverstone is best known for her role in The Crush. The lady who became a teen sensation for her appearance in a music video named tеен. Some of her other famous works are Clueless, Batman and Robin, and Mismatch. Early life. Alicia was born on 4th October 1976 in San Francisco, California, but she was brought up in Hillsborough, California. Her father, Montу Zīlverʻztone, was a real estate agent, and her mother, Deirdre, was a Pan America flight attendant. She joined Sroskеr Middle School and later Ẓan Mateo High School. At the age of only 6, she was seen in a TV commercial for Domino's Pizza. Personal life. Alicia married her long-time boyfriend and rock musician Christopher Jaracki in the year 2005, after dating him for 8 long years. The marriage ceremony was held at Lake Tahoe. They are living a happy life after that in Los Angeles. In 2011, they were blessed with a baby boy named Bear-Blue Jaracki. Their house has an organic vegetable garden. Age, height and weight. Being born on 4 October 1976, Alicia Silverstone is 45 years old as of today's date, 10th March 2022. Her height is 1.65 meter tall and weight is 57 kg. Career. Alice's debut was on TV. She was first seen in The Wonder Year in 1992. Her debut film was The Crush, released in 1993. She came to limelight after working in the film and got a lot of awards too. Some of her famous TV shows of that time are Torch Song, Cool and the Crazy, and Scattered Dreams. Awards and achievements. She earned a lot of awards in her career. In the year 1994, she received MTV Movie Award for Next Generation and MTV Movie Award for Best Villain for her movie The Crush. She got MTV Movie Award for Most Desirable Female and MTV Movie Award for Best Female Performance in 1996 for her movie Clueless. In 1998, she got Kids' Choice Award for Favorite Movie Actress for the movie Batman and Robin. She received Young Hollywood Award for Hottest Coolest Young Veteran in 2004. Net worth and salary. The actress earned a lot throughout her career. Her salary for a colossus in $250 lakh in the same year in 1995. She had a 3-movie deal with Sony which is of $1 crore. Her salary from the film X bags in $50 lakh and Batman and Robin of 1997 is $15 lakh. In the same year, she signed a contract with Columbia Trust of $1 crore. As of March 2022, the estimated net worth of Alicia Silverstone is around $25 million. She is an animal activist and environmentalist. In 1998, she became vegetarian after feeling the love for animals. PETA has voted her the sexiest female vegetarian in the year 2004.